Chia seeds are tiny black or white seeds that are native to Mexico. They come from a flowering plant called Salvia hispanica, which is related to the mint family. Don't let their small size fool you. These seeds are packed with nutrients. The word chia comes from the Mayan word for strength, and the Aztecs and Mayans valued them for their ability to give long-lasting energy. They were also used as medicine. Here are 23 great things about chia. Number 1. Chia seeds are a great form of fiber. A single ounce or 28 grams of chia seeds has 11 grams of dietary fiber, which is about a third of the amount adults should eat every day. Adding chia seeds to your diet is a great way to make sure you're getting enough fiber, which is important for digestive health. Number 2. Chia seeds are also vegan and vegetarian friendly because they only have one ingredient. Chia seeds are a raw grain that are free of gluten, cheese, eggs, and nuts. They're also good for vegans and vegetarians. Number 3. Chia seeds are known to help people lose weight. They do this by keeping some of the food you just ate from being absorbed. This keeps calories from being absorbed, making them a great diet aid without any harmful side effects. Number 4. Chia seeds are a great antioxidant. They can stop up to 70% of free radical activity and have 3 times as much antioxidant activity as blueberries. Number 5. Chia seeds alone or mixed with almond flour and garlic powder make a good coating for breading fish or chicken because it toasts well and gives a nice crunch without a strong, nutty smell. Number 6. Chia seeds are organic, raw, non-genetically modified, and grown without pesticides. This makes them one of the purest seeds in the world, so you can eat them without thinking about getting pesticide residues in your body. Number 7. Chia seeds help keep bones in good shape gram for gram. Chia seeds have more calcium than most dairy products. 1 ounce of chia seeds has 18% of an adult's suggested daily allowance of calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and protein, all of which are important for bone health. Adding chia seeds to your diet will keep your bones and teeth healthy and help you avoid osteoporosis. Number 9. Chia seeds are one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, with almost 5 grams in a 1 ounce serving. They are high in polyunsaturated fats, which include omega-3s and are a rich plant-based source of omega-3s. Omega-3s are essential fats that protect against inflammation, like that caused by heart disease and arthritis. In fact, chia seeds have up to 8.7 times more omega-3s than salmon. Chia seeds are a great source of protein from plants. These tiny little seeds have about 14% protein, which is higher than most plants. A high-protein diet has been shown to reduce hunger, help repair muscles, and even cut nighttime snacking by half. Number 10. They're good for your digestive system. The fiber and chia seeds help to support your digestive system by feeding the bacteria in your intestines. This helps the bacteria grow and thrive so that your body can get the essential compounds for immunity and overall health. Number 11. They can help to detoxify the body. The high fiber and antioxidant content of chia seeds can help the body get rid. Number 12. Chia seeds are a great addition to your detox plan because they help your body's natural detoxification routes repair your cells and reduce inflammation. The healthy fats, proteins, and minerals such as zinc in chia seeds helped to keep the skin, hair, and nails healthy. Number 13. Put some seeds in your drink. Adding chia seeds to your drinking water is one of the best ways to add them to your diet. Chia seeds are very hydrophilic and can absorb up to 12 to 14 times their weight in water. When soaked in water, they form a gel coating that makes them easy to swallow. The Mexicans have a drink called chia fresca that is made of water, lemon, or lemon juice, chia seeds, and a sweetener. Chia seeds can also be added to smoothies. Number 14. Chia seeds have a long shelf life because they have a natural antioxidants that keep the sensitive fats in the seeds from going rancid. This protects the nutrients and gives the chia seeds a natural long shelf life. Chia seeds are good for your heart and can help fight diabetes. Number 15. Chia seeds have been shown to lower blood pressure in diabetics and may also raise healthy cholesterol while lowering overall LDLs and triglyceride cholesterol in the gel coating that forms when the seeds are soaked in water. Number 16. Chia seeds slow down how quickly the body turns carbs into simple sugars, which can also cause sugar spikes. Studies show that they can help control blood sugar. If you are on the verge of becoming diabetic or have had heart problems in the past, you might want to eat heart-healthy foods like chia seeds. If you're watching how much carbohydrate you eat, chia seeds are a good choice. 1 ounce of chia seeds has only 1 gram of net carbs, which is a very low amount. Number 17. Chia seeds have so much fiber that they can help you feel fuller for longer, which can help you lose weight or just stop feeling hungry. Number 18. There is a lot of phosphorus in chia seeds, as each seed has 27% of the daily amount of phosphorus. Chia also helps keep bones and teeth healthy. The body uses phosphorus to break down protein for tissue and cell repair and the growth of new, healthy cells. Number 19. Chia seeds make great treat. Chia puddings have become one of the most popular ways to use chia seeds in a recipe. They also come in many different flavors. You can find a lot of recipes online. The 36% fiber in number 20 can lower your risk of colon cancer. Number 20. Chia helps lower cholesterol, improves gut health and regularity, and can also lower your risk of colon cancer. Number 21. Manganese is a nutrient found in chia seeds. Manganese is not a very well-known nutrient, but is important for health. Manganese is good for bones and helps body use other important nutrients like thiamine and biotin. 1 dose of chia seeds, which is 28 grams, has 1/3 of the amount of this mineral we should get each day. Number 22. You can put them in your salad. Dried chia seeds are crunchy, but they tend to get stuck in your teeth. You can add texture to salads by adding chia seeds on top of them. Chia sprouts are also a good addition to the green mix. Number 23. Chia seeds can help get rid of ugly belly fat. Chia seeds steadily control blood sugar, which can track the use of insulin, which will be needed to stop the roller coaster effect of sugar. This has been linked to ugly belly fat. Chia seeds make a gel in your stomach that makes you feel full longer, which can help you eat fewer calories. This helps slow down digestion, especially the process of turning carbs into sugar. Abdominal fat has been linked to an unhealthy lifestyle, which is why foods with a lot of health benefits like chia seeds are becoming more popular in the health and fitness industries. Choose seeds that are naturally black or white. Green or brand seeds are young and have a bitter taste. I hope you've learned more about the amazing health benefits of chia seeds. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.